At least I don't look stupid. I'm a winner.
Johnny Depp!
Oh yeah. Johnny Depp!
Look at him.
Look at him.
Ah! What are you doing here?
I don't know. I'm being bored. Having fun.
That's my faces.
Like what?
Have you not utilized your face?
No, I don't utilize my face.
Well, there are lots of faces you can make, such as... And...
I can't do that. No, seriously, like, everyone in my family can do it except for me. Like...
I can do it to the extreme. And I can talk.
Yeah, see, I can't even do it.
Kinda.
I can't even do it.
I can't do the other way.
How do you...
That isn't even
how do you
right.
even do it? Like,
You
I
have
don't
to have extreme control over your lip muscles.
I apparently don't have extreme control of my lip muscles.
Takes practice, Rachel. Takes practice.
What do you do to practice, Kara?
They're called lip crunches. And I do 100 of them a day.
Oh, that's how it is.
Yep.
That's
Is-
what you do.
You need Taibo?
You
I
have
exercise the important parts.
Your lips. Oh, never mind.
Tongue sit-ups.
Never mind. I could say so many things right now. So many things.
Roll-ups.
Whoever your husband is in the future. It's so weird. Don't do that.
Oh yeah. You know how long it took me to learn to do that? It's hardcore training, that is. 3 days.
Is that all you did?
Have you ever trained your tongue?
No.
It takes dedication, dominance, and drastic measures.
You just got the one that curls in.
Huh?
What's you?
What if I
It's
just
boobage,
like
Kara.
put my boobs up there? Hi guys! Boobs! Yeah,
Can't see
except
mine.
for,
I got a t-shirt. You can't see mine.
well,
You have a tight.
there we go. I don't have a tight shirt, I just have a,
That's a tight shirt. At least, you know, as far as boobs go.
well,
At least yours.
all my shirts are tied up there. That's not surprising. Eye exercises.
I can't do it. I can do toe exercises though. Everyone thinks it's weird when I do that though. Maybe I shouldn't. You're so weird.
Ready?
You're so.
And hold. 2, 3, 4. That's how you do it.
Do what?
Exercise your cheeks.
What purpose would that serve?
Cheek muscles. You know.
And what would they be used for? Kara?
You can use them for lots of things.
Like what?
Smiling. And chewing.
I think smiling and chewing are given skills, Kara.
Yes.
I don't know about you, but I haven't had to practice.
I also do this.
I can't do it.
Exercise my elbow muscles.
Elbow?
Eyebrow.
Look at Kara.
Eyebrow. Shut up. I meant eyebrow, and I'm sorry.
Look at me. I exercise the real muscles. Look at them guns. I'm not strong. Don't even. No, I'm not strong.
Wow.
What? I'm not strong.
Those are like 12 gauge shotguns.
Yeah.
Miniature version.
Yeah. Baby guns.
Baby guns. Those are like guns made for Ken,
Ken?
Barbie's husband.
Yeah, I know, but I thought Ken was built.
I'm talking about real guns. I'm into weaponry.
Oh, we've moved on.
Yeah.
Funny how I didn't get the memo.
Look at my harpoons. What? They don't just have to be guns.
Cannons.
Oh crap, the time.
Oh, freak.
Freaking A. Bye.